Welcome to Web Solution Center. In this video, we're diving into one of the most controversial and debated topics in the world of web development. Evaluating the pros and cons, custom website versus WordPress. Stay tuned as we unravel the key aspects of both options, helping you make an informed decision for your online presence. Let's get started. 1. Introduction. Importance of choosing the right website platform when it comes to building a website. The decision between a custom website and using WordPress can be a tough one. Both options have their own set of advantages and drawbacks that need to be evaluated carefully. In this article, we will examine the pros and cons of each, helping you make an informed decision for your online presence. 2. Definition. What is a custom website in WordPress? A custom website is built from scratch, tailored specifically to your needs, with a unique design and functionality. WordPress is a popular content management system that allows you to create and manage your website using pre-designed templates and plugins. Understanding the differences between these options will help you determine which one is right for you. 3. Pros of custom website. Greater accessibility and customization options. A custom website offers greater accessibility in terms of design and functionality, allowing you to create a unique online presence that aligns with your brand. You have complete control over the features and layout, ensuring a personalized user experience. Additionally, a custom website can be optimized for better performance and scalability, accommodating future growth and changes. 4. Cons of custom website. Higher cost and maintenance requirements. While a custom website offers numerous bonnets, it's essential to consider the cons. Firstly, custom websites generally have a higher upfront cost compared to using WordPress. Additionally, they require regular maintenance and updates, which can add to the overall cost and time investment. It's important to weigh these drawbacks against the bonnets to determine the best option for your specific needs and budget. 5. Pros of WordPress. Ease of use and extensive plugin ecosystem. WordPress offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to create and manage their website without coding knowledge. Additionally, WordPress has a vast plugin ecosystem, allowing for easy integration of various functionalities and features into your site. These bonnets make WordPress a popular choice for individuals and small businesses looking for a cost-effective and accessible website solution. 6. Cons of WordPress. Limited customization and security vulnerabilities. While WordPress offers ease of use and accessibility, it also has limitations. Customization options are limited compared to a fully custom website, making it challenging to create a unique and tailored design. Additionally, WordPress is susceptible to security vulnerabilities, requiring regular updates and security measures to protect your site from potential threats. 7. Factors to consider. Budget, technical skills, scalability. When evaluating whether to choose a custom website or WordPress, there are several factors to consider. First, your budget. Custom websites tend to be more expensive up front. Second, your technical skills. A custom website may require more coding knowledge. Finally, scalability. Consider whether you anticipate your website growing and if you need the accessibility to customize and expand in the future. 8. Case studies. Success stories of custom websites and WordPress sites. To help you make an informed decision, let's look at some case studies of both custom websites and WordPress sites. By examining real-life examples, we can evaluate the pros and cons of each option in terms of design accessibility, performance, SEO, maintenance, and user experience. These case studies will provide valuable insights to guide you in choosing the best solution for your specific needs and goals. 9. Conclusion. Making an informed decision for your specific needs. After considering the case studies and evaluating the pros and cons of custom websites and WordPress, it is clear that both options have their advantages and disadvantages. Ultimately, the decision should be based on your specific needs and goals. Custom websites offer design accessibility and performance customization, while WordPress provides ease of use and a vast community for support. Consider factors such as budget, technical expertise, and long-term scalability when making your choice. 10. Q&A. Addressing audience questions and concerns. During this Q&A session, we will address any questions or concerns you may have regarding the choice between a custom website and WordPress. We will discuss factors such as budget, technical expertise required, scalability, design accessibility, ease of use, and community support. Feel free to ask any questions you have, and We will provide the information you need to make an informed decision. Thank you for joining us in this insightful discussion. If you have any more questions or need further information, don't hesitate to reach out. Visit our website at www.websolutioncenter.com, or you can contact us directly via phone at +91 9891846187 or drop us an email at support@websolutioncenter.com. We're here to assist you in making the best choice for your website needs. Stay tuned for more valuable content and have a fantastic day.